And my ingredient for my burrito, I gonna use tomato, onion, garlic, salt, ground beef, black pepper, a half serrano pepper, cilantro. I gonna start cook that tomato. In this case, just I going to use two. In this case, just I going to use a half of onion. Then cilantro. Up to you how much cilantro you're gonna use it. I like to give a little spicy flavor in my food. Just I'm going to use a half of serrano pepper. Like, okay guys, now I finished to chop all my ingredients. Now I go to the stove and I going to prepare my ground beef. Now I going to use 3. I recommend you when you're going to make some beef or ground beef or something like that. I recommend you use chicken bouillon. Believe me, it's another flavor. It's really good flavor. I'm going to put olive oil. This is 1 pound. So I'm going to cook it. Look at that. So beautiful, guys. Just salt, just a little. My black pepper. My chicken bouillon. Just a little. If you want it, you can use beef bouillon or wherever you want, but I recommend you chicken bouillon. I'm going to put my vegetable. Beautiful. It is, right? Well, I was cooking my vegetable with my ground beef and medium heat. I'm going to make any correction. Perfect. Everything is good. Perfect. I'm going to turn off my stove. Now I'm going to let it cool. 10 or 20 minutes. Up to you. Now I'm going to make my pico de gallo for my burrito. I'm going to start with my tomato. I'm going to use just 2. Chop my onion, a half of onion. Up to you guys how much you can use it. I'm going to chop that cilantro. 2 cloves of garlic. I'm going to make my vegetable with a little drop of lime. Just a little. Salt. A little. I didn't put serrano pepper to my pico de gallo because I put it before in my guacamole, and I don't want it really spicy because it's not just for me. I'm gonna share with more people. I'm going to make any correction. Really good. We need to make a salsa. 2 tomatoes, a little onion, 3 cloves of garlic, and a little cilantro. A pepper. This is chile de árbol. Now everything it's ready. Now I'm going to put everything in the blender. I'm going to put oregano. I'm gonna put a little salt. And I'm going to make any correction. Perfect. The first step is heat up the tortilla. I'm gonna fill my tortilla. We're gonna put rice, beans, ground beef, pico de gallo, yummy, guacamole, super salsa. Queso fresco, the Mexican sour cream. Now I'm going to wrap it. We're going to roll. Perfect. Then I'm going to cut check it out, guys. Now I'm going to put in my plate. Now it's time to eat. This is my favorite part of my videos all the time. Mmm. 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 The beef with the vegetable and the guacamole are really good textures. And the flavor really beautiful combination. I think this is pretty good. Thank you guys for watching my video again. Really happy for this video that I made burrito for you guys. I recommend you my recipe, and don't forget follow me, and don't forget give me click and subscribe to my channel from YouTube. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a really good day today. Thank you so much. Love you guys. See you soon.